Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Theo. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe on this video. Like, comment, subscribe on my other channels that I'm gonna have in the description below. You know, I'm a little nervous, bro. Why am I nervous? Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the 10 life lessons that the military has taught me. Now, these are not just lessons or routines. These are things that has shaped my life to become who I am today. And yeah, they shaped my life into what I have become today. And they're gonna shape my life for the future and make me better as a person. Alright, so let's dive in. Lesson 1, make up your bed. You make up your bed, the first one, make up your bed. Now, the reason why you make up your bed, because when you make up your bed, your mind is more calm. I don't know how to, they did studies on this, but your mind is a little bit more calm. And what it does, you completed one goal, and it helps you complete different other goals. So, for instance, most people who don't make up their bed, their room is dirty, and the stuff is all over the place. Their life is just in fucking shambles. Their life is just all over the place. But a person that makes up their bed, cleans their room, their life seems more calm. It seems like it's a lot of space, it's a lot of things going on. So you make up your bed, you show yourself you're neat, you show yourself, you show your brain that you appreciate the small things, even though you appreciate laying in the bed. And it's gonna just naturally give you more, because you would just appreciate something like that, like making up your bed. Like making up your bed, showing that you appreciate sleeping in your bed. Alright, yeah, I got that one. And it helps you will tackle bigger challenges, because you're making up your bed. Making up your bed would allow you to tackle bigger challenges, because the small challenges making up your bed. Then you do that goal, and then you go to another goal, another goal, another goal, another goal, another goal. Then you keep going until you realize, damn, you hit all your goals for the day. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that's something to think about. Do it with a team. No, my bad. I'm looking at my computer because I got everything written down in my computer. But do it as a team. You need a team. You need a team. If you have a business, you trying to make a business, whatever you're trying to do, get a team, because you're competing against other teams, and you're not gonna win if it's just you. So you gotta get a team, friends who like if you want friends, if you want to be a millionaire and all your friends have excuses about things, you gotta get another team. You gotta find another team. You gotta figure out who the fuck else can I go to, because these people are clearly not right in the head, and they're not trying to get to where I'm trying to get to. Like, my friends say they're trying to get there, but they're not really trying to get there. Like, we have to really be a team and do everything. If everybody does their job in the team, we're gonna be successful. It's just that simple. Prepare before. Okay, let me tell y'all, let me use a story for them. So, you know, they always tell us prepare before, because you have to plan ahead. So say that you have a trip, right? Say that you're going to the Maldives. You don't know how much the tickets cost. You don't know how much the hotels would be. You don't know nothing. But since you don't know nothing about it, you don't look at it every day, you don't plan for it, it's not gonna happen. But if you sit there and write down your day, and you cut out all distractions, you just write down your day, and you do that for 30 days, it would change your life. You would be like, what the hell is going on? Like, you have to prepare months ahead. Like, what we was doing when we were going to the field and everything, we were planning 4 months ahead, 5 months ahead. When people are planning trips, they're planning 5 months ahead, 6 months ahead, because they know we want to get this shit done now. And yeah, we want to get this done right now. So it's like you just gotta prepare yourself before it, because if you don't prepare yourself, you're gonna be in a world full of hurt. Like, if I would have prepared myself for traveling sometimes, like some of the mistakes I made traveling, like trying to get my ticket a couple days earlier, I would have been so much better, bro. I would have been so much better. But it's you have to prepare. You just have to prepare, because you never know. You want to be ahead. You want to be ahead of everybody. If it's a zombie apocalypse, you have to prepare for that. You got to be preparing for years for that. You know what I'm saying? So prepare your life for the good and the bad. Prepare. So when it comes, you're not even surprised. You're like, okay, I'm already prepared. When people are not prepared, everything panics. Everybody panics around them. So just prepare. Waking up early. I learned something in the military. I used to wonder, like, why are we waking up early? Then I used to realize, if it's like Kobe said, I can wake up from 8 and go to the gym, 8 to 11, eat lunch. I get up at around 6. I eat breakfast. I go to the gym at like 8. Get there 8 to 11. 11 to 12. I'm at home. I'm eating lunch or whatever. I'm coming back, and then you go throughout the day, and because you gotta go to sleep at like 9, 10. And you go throughout the day just like, damn, I only did 2-3 workouts. But you wake up at 4. You work 4 to 6. Okay. Wake up, wake up everybody. You know what I'm saying? Wake up the kids for school. Boom. Then 6 to 8. Then 8 to 12. 4 to 6. Then 6 to 8. Then 8 to 12. Alright. Then 1 to 2. Then you probably go back like 6 to 8 o'clock. Boom, look how much more you did just from waking up early. Like you wake up early and have your schedule lined up with what you gotta do for the day. You wake up early, you can do everything. Everything, bro. Everything. Don't matter how you feel, you gotta do it. Look, I remember I was walking. We were going to Vic Forge. We was walking. We had to walk like 3 miles, but I was a complete chaos that day, bro, because I had everything in my bag, but my sleeping bag came apart, so I had to hold my sleeping bag, and then my Kevlar fell off my bag, and I couldn't put my Kevlar off my back because I had to just keep walking, and I couldn't take my backpack off because I had my weapon in my hand. So I was just sitting there like, bro, I got the sleeping bag in this hand, holding the weapon in this hand, and holding my Kevlar, and trying to walk through the forest. And then I still got shit in my backpack, and I'm just sitting there like, bro, what? My drill sergeant looked at me, he said, don't ever let nobody see you like that. It don't matter how you feel. It don't matter how you feel. You have to do it. You have to do it. It's gonna build character and it's gonna build confidence. Even if you don't want to go to the gym, go to the gym. You don't want to go to the gym, that's the times you need to go to the gym. You feel me? That's all I gotta say. You don't need a gym to stay in shape, bro. PT, get up early, go do some push-ups, go do some sit-ups, go do some jump squats, some burpees. Bro, it's so many exercises that you can do that have you lose weight. But people just make excuse. Like, oh, I need equipment, I need this. No, you don't. You need your body. That's all you need to stay in shape. You can go run, you can go walk, you can do some push-ups, you can do some sit-ups, you can do some, can't do no pull-ups, but you can get 2 chairs and do some dips. You can do something. It ain't no excuse of why I shouldn't be in shape. Don't ever quit. No matter what the fuck you are doing, don't you ever quit what you are doing. The reason why I say that, because a lot of people quit right before they get what they wanted, bro. You quit right before, when you could have just took another step and been at where you wanted to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't ever quit. Don't ever let nobody tell you that you're a quitter, bro. You don't quit. You finish the mission, and you just don't quit on it. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it until it don't work, until it don't work no more. Then you like, alright, fuck, it don't work no more. Now I gotta try something different. Always put the mission first, bro. Focus on your purpose. Focus on your purpose. Focus on the mission. Focus on the mission at hand. Focus on what's in front of you, not behind you. Focus on where you gotta go. Focus on every step you gotta take. Focus on every step you gotta take. Come on now. That's all you gotta do. Focus, focus, focus. Focus on the mission, bro. Small details create big results. I'm gonna tell you a story about, I was at the gun range and the colonel had came up there. It was when I first got in the army and I didn't know how to shoot an AR or nothing, bro. I didn't know how to shoot an M4, I mean. And my colonel came up there. He was like, yo, bro, what are you doing? Like, you ain't shooting shit out there. And I'm like, I don't know. He was like, you're fucking horrible. Then he was like, get down and shoot. He told me, he was like, oh, you just need to change your arm position like an inch back, and you would be able to shoot. Right now, you got your guarding arm. I have my guarding arm 2 in front, and I was supposed to have it like this. And he simply told me that, and next thing you know, I was hitting shit. I was like, damn, small details create big results, because I wasn't hitting anything. I wasn't even hitting the paper, but he gave me that one detail. I hit the paper every time. Don't talk and eat. The reason why you shouldn't talk and eat, I'm gonna tell you like this. Don't talk and eat because you never know when you're about to have your last meal. So eat your food. Be grateful of your food. Eat it. Don't have, like, yeah, just eat your food. Just eat your food. Don't talk to nobody. Don't try to speak to nobody. Don't try to, unless they passing you something, you should eat. Eat and focus. It's a game of focus when you're eating, because you never know. It might be your last meal for 3-4 days. So you need to eat that shit. You need to eat all of it. You need to finish it. Eat it as fast as you can. You ain't even gotta eat fast. Just eat normal, but just don't talk to nobody. Don't put your head up, because you never know when you go eat again. Alright, everybody. Those are the 10 life lessons I learned from the military. I hope somebody takes these and goes deeper into them. It's a book called Make Your Bed. Also read that book as well. And I hope you find lessons valuable in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. My name is Theo, and I'm out.